Hello, my dear lovely students. I have great news for all of you. Guess what? Now High Court is in your support. That's not all. Even the national media also covering the NTA discrepancies. Even many students are there, for the what we call this protest. And many educators and influencers are all in your support. And that's the good news that, there are the high chances of the re-NEET. Because NTA not able to clarify any point that we have raised, right? So they don't have the clear answers. So now the high chances of the re-NEET this year. So now when we see, what is the petition? This is the petition, filed by the this person, that is the Tanmoy Chattopadhyay against the NTA, right? And when you will see this, so what was the petition? Again, we know that we were actually confused with the marks 718, 719. We had this question that on what basis you are giving them the marks. No, this because it's really not possible when we see the criteria of the marking scheme of the NEET. But still, these people are getting this much marks, and NTA said that it's possible because they have given grace marks according to time lost. So. But still, they were not able to justify. They were like, okay, we did the same thing. We did the same thing, in 2018, and we are using the same thing over here. But that which you did in the 2018, you were able to do that because it was CBT-based exam, computer-based test. But it was offline. How come you are able to calculate the accuracy? How come you are able to see that when exactly the student started, solving the paper, right? So you cannot exactly find out the efficiency, accuracy in the offline mode, right? So they have not given any justified answer. So justification of such exercise cannot be decided without an affidavit from the NTA, respondent 1. So that means now the High Court is basically demanding for the affidavit. They actually have to give the full criteria, what criteria they have used when they are just, giving the grace marks, right? Or when they are just giving these marks to the students. And according the respondent number 1 shall file an affidavit within a period of 10 days. So yes, they have the 10 days time from the date in response to the allegation made in the writ petition, right? So that means they have the 10 days time, and affidavit should also disclose how the reservation policy of the state as well as the central government has been followed in preparing the merit list. So that means now High Court is demanding all this thing, right? And as many students are there in, protesting for all this thing. So again, the chances are so high, right? And plus national media are there with us. So NTA shall preserve the record pertaining to the NEET examination until further the order to this court. The outcome of the counselling shall proceed. Counselling process shall abide by the result of the writ petition. So they cannot start the counselling. So I don't know why the NTA is in so hurry. They actually have, released the result just after the this provisional answer key. And they have just declared the result the other day, right? That too on the day of the Lok Sabha election day. I don't know what they were trying to hide, right? And the other thing that they started counselling so fast, because generally counselling start after a month of the NEET result, but they have started now. And then Calcutta High Court is like, no, you cannot start the counselling soon, right? So they stay this NEET counselling, and they're like, you cannot go ahead until or unless you don't show us affidavit. So they have 10 days to show it, and chances are really high that now re-NEET or they will be, coming up with the proper clarification. And as I've told you that they don't have the proper clarification, even they have, given this what we call press the last day yesterday, right? But they were actually not able to justify anything. So this is the hopeful situation for all of us. Chances are really so high that, re-NEET will happen this year in 2024. So yes, it is really good news, right? So you should be happy, and you should feel so relieved that, some action will be, positive action will be taken in your favor. So all the best, and stay connected with us, because we are just bringing up a lot of the videos, a lot of such videos for you. All the best. Have a great day.